Imagine being the architect of your own dreams, where you can fly through the clouds, explore mythical lands, or meet anyone you desire. This is the magic of lucid dreaming. It's not just fantasy. It's a real skill you can learn. With practice, you can wake up within your dreams and take control, turning sleep into the ultimate adventure. Lucid dreaming can boost creativity, solve problems, and even help overcome fears. So why not unlock the hidden potential of your nights? Dive into lucid dreaming and let your imagination run wild. Lucid dreaming is more than just an escape. It's a tool for personal growth. Studies show that lucid dreamers often experience increased problem-solving skills and heightened creativity. Artists, writers, and innovators use lucid dreams to inspire their work and think outside the box. Imagine rehearsing a presentation in your dream, perfecting your delivery in a risk-free environment, or facing and conquering your deepest fears, all while you sleep. Getting started is easier than you might think. Keeping a dream journal, performing reality checks throughout the day, and setting strong intentions before sleep are just a few techniques to help you begin. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey is uniquely yours. So, why spend another night in ordinary sleep when you can explore the extraordinary? Embrace lucid dreaming and transform your nights into a playground of endless potential.